Morning everyone. Haripriya, Shiva, Shakti, Vishal, Jaslin, good morning beta. We'll start the class. Most important, see look here. First in AP na 2 marks question, what type of questions will be coming? They will be giving you some terms and they will be asking you find other terms. Like that type of questions will be there. Rohit, good morning beta. Now look here. First is some questions I am giving easy questions and some questions CBSE total CBSE question I am going to give. Okay. Now first question is Humaira, good morning Humaira. Now, some typical question first I am giving because considering your question paper, I know what typical questions they may ask. Now look here. First you know now in an AP, whatever sequence you are forming, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these are exactly called as terms. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, this is fifth term, like this. The last one which we don't know or which is 20. So now right now any sequence till what term it is going we don't know. So you know what name we are calling it? We are calling it as, Keshika good morning, we are calling it as nth term. So that last term whose value we are not knowing, we call it as nth term. What we call it as nth term. So now it's game of like some formulas are there, 2 videos, basic formula 2 videos I have sent you. That basic formula 2 videos, one time I want to, if you have time, now to you don't have time, school we will try to check or otherwise I'll explain the formulas, fine. Now look here, first thing is that first term, always remember some simple technique like second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term. So if the number terms are there 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 like this, then this one is called as first term. This one is called as second term. This one is called as third term. And this one is called as fourth term. So second term minus first term, third term minus second term. Everything will be equal to common difference. Because Syed, good morning beta. In AP, one very important thing to remember that common difference always remains same. Common difference always remains same, and that's why in central tendency, that's why central tendency means it will be dealing with AP, then they will say that the common difference of AP, common difference of AP remains same. This is a very important point. Now based on that, one question is there. I want you all to solve this question. Now by considering what level questions and examinations are coming, I'm just going to give you this question. Question is determine K. This is determine K, quite tricky question, but I want you to solve this question. This question is coming in NCERT exemplar. So determine K so that Sayyid, Borish, everyone see this one very nicely how they are asking the question. So that K square plus 4K, K square plus 4K plus 8, comma 2K square plus 3K plus 6, 2K square plus 3K plus 6 and 3K square plus 4K plus 4, okay, are the 3 consecutive terms of AP. Are the 3 consecutive terms of AP. 3 consecutive terms of AP. Consecutive terms of AP. Now look at what they are giving you here is कि one sequence you are knowing now कि whenever AP is coming, Hari, is it buffering? From here it is not buffering, Hari. Now look here, whenever you go for start solving everyone, or I will exactly explain how you have to solve this question. See look here, in AP now, when you are writing like this is exactly called as sequence. 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8. It is exactly called as what? It is called as sequence. Now consecutive. Consecutive means one after the other. Consecutive means what? Consecutive means one after the other. So this is first consecutive term, and whatever sequence numbers are coming now, one after the other, they are called as terms. What they are called as terms. So this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, like this. So they are exactly called as term. Anyone trying to solve this question? So now look here, beta. Here, the three important terms are given. The three important terms are given. First term, second term and third term. K square plus 4k plus 8, comma 2k square plus 3k plus 6, comma 3k square plus 4k plus 4. So if we will take, because they are telling that these three are consecutive. Consecutive means one after the other. Consecutive means what, beta? One after the other. So this one will become your first term, this one will become your second term, and this one will become your third term. Okay, what did I say? In the sequence, whenever you see the sequence, their numbers are exactly coming as terms. First term, second term, third term. So here the three are given, first, second, third. So they will also be called as term. Now we know now, if we subtract second term from first term, we will get a common difference. So one formula is there. Remember this technique. This is first term, second term, third term. Then formula is second term minus first term. Second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term. Second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term. So now we will take this one out. 2k square plus 3k plus 6. This is the second term. This is the second term minus this is the first term. That is k square. In bracket you keep. Don't take it out from bracket first. So now it will become k square plus 4k plus 8. Now what is the third term you have taken? Formula is 2132. That is second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term. So now this third term we are going to write 3k square plus 4k plus 4 minus this term we will write 2k square plus 3k plus 6. And now open the bracket. When you are opening the bracket, Myra, Shiva Shakti, what answer you are getting? Everyone tell me. So this when you will open, this one will become minus k square. This will become minus 4k minus 8. And this one will become 3k square plus 4k plus 4. This will become minus 2k square minus 3k minus 6. So now opening bracket means all plus became minus, change of sign. Now subtract, these two subtract. Here 2k square minus k square. So it will become k square. Now 3k minus 4k minus k. 6 minus 8 will become minus 2. Now subtraction is only there. 3k square minus 2k square. It will become k square. 4k minus 3k plus k. 4 minus 6 minus 2 is coming. What answer we are going to expect here? What answer we are going to expect here? What answer we are going to expect here? Minus k equal to k coming, beta. If we will shift this one that side, it will come 2k equal to 0. Therefore, k answer is coming as 0. So 100% k will become equal to 0. Yes, Umayna, answer is absolutely correct, beta. The answer will be k equal to 0. So what did I did? Analysis time. See, look at 3 consecutive terms. 3 consecutive term means first term, second term and third term they have given. Then I use the formula, that is second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term. Whatever terms were there, accordingly I wrote. Like second term first I took and wrote, then first term I took and wrote, third term and minus second term. Then I opened the bracket, minus, cancelled, and we got k equal to 0. K equal to, yes, Rohit, minus K equal to K, that is K is coming as equal to 0. Absolutely correct, Rohit. So I hope you might have understood this question. Shall we go for next question? Now look here, some tricky questions I am telling you. Now some tricky questions I am giving you. Now another question, like they ask this question very oftenly for 2 mark, not more than 2 mark this question may come. But if this question will come, how you are going to handle the question, just let's see this one. They will ask you this, is 0 a term of the AP? Is 0 a term of the AP? Is 0 a term of the AP? 31, 28, 25, justify your answer. Now a very simple question has been asked from you, and that simple question what they are asking, that ki is 0 a term of the AP? Means ki when you will be seeing this sequence, will you be ever getting 0? Will you be ever getting 0? Is it possible to get a 0 here in the sequence? Okay, so now we know that this is a sequence 31, 28, 25, and this is the sequence. Now we have to exactly catch that, or we have to find that exactly 0 is coming in this sequence or not. Then in examination hall we cannot sit and start subtracting na, okay, 31 minus 28 minus 31, then 25 minus 20, like that, first common difference finding this, that. No, nothing to do like that. Nothing to do like that. They told us to check that 0 is coming or not. Now it will be totally coming for general formula. Now how to attempt this question? First you see attempt starting. First I wrote, let the first term be and common difference be okay. So first term we have taken as A, common difference we have taken as D. Yes, you have to use that only, Rohit. You have to take the general formula, that is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. No ma'am, it's a fraction. It's coming in fraction, Umaira. Then 0 will never come. 0 will not come, Umaira. Now look here, beta. So first what we are going to take from this will become, the first sequence number will become first term. So a is coming as 31. Now find common difference. Now common difference will become second term minus first term. That is this minus this. So 28 minus 31. So 11 minus 8 is coming. 3 minus 3 is coming. Okay, that is 29, 30, 31. Minus 3 is coming. Now what they are asking, that 0 is term or not. So what we are going to ma'am, 0 is not a term in AP. Very good. So now look here, how we are going to check this one out. And term is not a whole number. Very good. So now look here. So what we are going to do is, we will assume that let us possible, if it is possible, let the nth term is coming as 0. So now we are going to write, let us consider nth term value is 0. So if nth term value is 0, that means we assumed, because we don't know exactly it is there or not, but we assumed. Now what we are going to write? We will write it as a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. So what is first term? 31. What is common difference? Minus 3. N minus 1 equal to 0. 31, first minus 3 will multiply with n, plus into minus, minus. 3, n minus 1 equal to 0. So 31 minus 3n plus 3 equal to 0. So now what is coming? 31 plus 3 will become how much? 34 equal to 3n. So n is coming 34 by 3. So what we got? We got a fraction. So when we are getting n equal to 34 by 3, means it is very easily understandable that okay, fine, 34 by 3 is a term which is exactly coming in fraction. So since it is coming in fraction, it is never going to be, so Keshika also got the same answer. So it is never going to be, beta, it is never going to be. So we are going to write that. What statement we are going to write? Just 1 minute. So we will write since n equal to 3 by 4, 34 by 3, hence our assumption is wrong. Zero is never a term in the given sequence. It is totally up to you how you are giving a finishing. It is totally up to you. Yes, Rohit, it is coming as 34 by 3. So it is totally up to you how you are giving a finishing. So A4, AN, nth term, we are just making it equal to 0. So what you have to keep in your brain that here too they have asked that 0 is one of the sequence or not. Like this, they can, instead of 0, if they will ask this is the given sequence, just check that 25 is the sequence or not. Then what you are going to do? If instead of 0, they will say that just check 15 or 5, just 5 is one of the term or not, 5 is one of the term of AP or not, then what you have to do? If they will ask instead of 0, if they will ask that check whether 5 is one of the term of the AP or not, then what formula you are going to write? Here you have written AN equal to 0. To say that okay, 0 is one of the, I have assumed that okay, 0 is one of the term. But if they will ask rather than 0, that check 5 is one of the term or not, then what we have to write it? Then we have to write Haripriya absolutely correct. At that particular moment, we will write okay, let anth term will be equal to 5. Nth term will be equal to 5. So like that you have to attempt the question. Like whatever sequence they will be telling you, you just have to take that one and say that okay, fine, this is not possible. If it is coming in fraction, this is not possible. So if an equal to, they'll say that okay, 5 is a term or not, 7 is a term or not. So just make an equal to 5, an equal to 7 and check. If it is coming in whole number means it should not come in fraction. Okay, if it is coming in whole number means yes, the answer is correct. But if it is not coming in whole number, that means the answer is not correct. Okay, that means that sequence is, or the term is not in the sequence. Now we are going to go for the next one. Now this type of question is again going to create a problem for you. The next question which I am giving you, this question is again and again creating problem for students because it will be coming very difficult for you. So now look here. Question is, you have to check that A minus B. This question came in CBSE 2020 standard paper. CBSE 2020 standard paper, this question came. Okay, so now what we have to do here is we have to solve this question. Question is exactly very simple. Now question is what they are asking that, just 1 minute. What they are asking that you have to show that A minus B whole square, A square plus B square, A square plus B square and A plus B whole square are in AP. Now how to prove this question is exactly are in AP. That is A minus B whole square, A square plus B square and A plus B whole square. Like these three particular terms are there in AP. How to give confirmation that these three particular terms are in AP? Anyone, any idea? Anyone, any idea how to prove that these three terms are exactly in AP? These three terms are exactly in AP. Any idea how to come to know that these three terms are exactly in AP? Common difference should be same. Absolutely correct, Hari. Super. So now what we are going to do is, again we are going to play the same role. We are going to check the same thing. So if, what statement we will write? If a minus b whole square, a square plus b square and a plus b whole square are in AP, then its common difference remains same. Its common difference remains same. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, this will become your first term, this will become your second term, and this will become your third term. So you know what formula I told you, that is a2 minus a1. What you have to prove? a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2, and that will be equal to common difference. So you have to exactly find. Humaira, what happened beta, tell me? So that is exactly what you have to find. a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2, and that will be equal to common difference. So if both will give the same common difference, if second term minus first term and third term minus second term will give the same common difference, that means yes, the three terms, the three consecutive terms or the three terms are in AP. But if it will not be coming same, then it will never be in AP. Okay, so what we are going to do, first we will write LHS. We are going to check LHS is what? a2 minus a1. Okay, a2 minus a1, that is a square plus b square minus first term is a minus b whole square. So it is coming as a square plus b square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now what we are going to do? We are going to take this one as a square plus b square minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. So now this one plus a square minus a square cancel, plus b square minus b square cancel. What came is plus 2ab. So now this much came. So it is in AP coming, Humaira. Let's check this one out beta. So it is coming, that is second term minus first term. Now RHS section we will check. So that means overall conclusion what we have drawn, that is what overall conclusion what we have drawn, we are going to write, that is a2 minus a1, second term minus third term is coming as 2ab. Take it as equation 1. Now go for RHS. Now RHS is a3 minus a2. What is a3? Third term is a plus b whole square minus a square plus b square. Now open the bracket. A square plus b square plus 2ab, and this one will become minus a square minus b square. It is coming as plus 2ab. So now beta first term AP is just coming AP. So now look at that, means here also when you subtracted third term and second term, so what you are getting, that means third term minus second term is also coming as 2ab, equation 2. So from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, we conclude that common difference is same. So the sequence or the terms are in AP. Okay, last final finishing touch is totally in your hand. How you are giving, it is AP coming, Rohit. So how you are exactly giving, how you are giving a finishing touch, That is very, very important. So once you will be exactly, Vishal, D is equal to 2AB, absolutely correct, Vishal. So like this type of question, beta, CBSE 2020, if we don't know the technique now, means many children might have left the question without attending. But see, the question is very easy. Okay, only what technique is needed is how to solve the question. Okay, now shall we go for the next question? The next question is, like this question again came. Now very old question, 2-mark question I am giving you. Like this type of questions means when you will be practicing, you will always be getting an edge. Like question is, if 16th term of an AP is 1 more than twice its 80th term. Like this type of question, I am telling you, when these type of questions are coming means you will have problem. Means you will have problem in understanding how to approach. That will be the biggest problem coming for you. Now what is the question? The 16th term of an AP, the 16th term of an AP is 1 more than twice its 8th term. Okay, twice its 8th term, 1 more than twice its 8th term. After that it telling if the 12th term of an AP is, if the 12th term of an AP is, if the 12th term of an AP is 47, find its nth term. Find its nth term. Okay, so now this type of questions are very, 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 very important questions. Like you must solve these type of questions. Now check what you can do for this question and then I will solve the question. Try this question out. Try this question. Okay, shall I solve the question? Now here, how to start the question first. For starting the question, you must write, let the first term be A. Let the first term be A and common difference be D. And common difference be D. Let the first term be A and common difference be D. Now what is given to you? First you have to utilize that one. They are telling that 16th term of an AP is 16th term. That is A16. 16th term of an AP is 1 more than twice its 8th term. 16th term of an AP is 1 more than twice its 8th term. 1 more than twice its 8th term. 16th term of an AP is 1 more than twice its 8th term. 16th term of an AP is 1 more than twice its 8th term. So now what we are going to write? A plus 16 minus 1 into D will be equal to 1 plus twice of A plus 8 minus 1 into D. So this is what 16th term of an AP. So A plus 15D equal to 1 plus 2 a plus 7d. Okay. Good morning, Anu. You are late, beta. So now look here. This is the first term given. So a plus 15d equal to 1 plus 2a plus 2 sevens are 14d. Now what we are going to do, beta? We are going to shift everything that side. Shift everything that side or shift everything this side. We can do anything. So now we are going to shift this one this side and this one also this side. So now it will become a minus 2a plus 15d minus 14d equal to 1. When you will subtract a minus 2a, it will become minus a. Okay, that is a minus 2a. 2a is bigger number. Now 2 is a big number. It is a bigger number than 1, but minus 2 is there. So answer will become minus 1, minus a. So okay, minus a, no problem, beta. So here 15 minus 14 will become d equal to 1. So this will become your first equation. Now this is the first equation we got. Now the second part of the question says that its 12th term is 47. So they have given 12th term and 12th term value is coming as 47. So write 12th term. So I'm just writing down of it. 12th term is coming as how much? So 12th term A12 is equal to 47 given. Now how to write this one? That is, you know how to write A plus 12 minus 1 into d equal to 47. So it is coming as a plus 11d equal to 47. Take this as equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So what is equation 1? This is your equation 1. That is minus a plus d equal to 1. And then equation 2, a plus 11d equal to 47. A plus 11d equal to 47. So cancel. So it is coming how much, beta? It is coming as 12d equal to 48. So you know now 48 means 12 fours are 48. So 12 fours are 48 is coming. Now we will put the value substituting d equal to 4 in equation 1. What was our equation 1? Minus a plus d equal to 1. So now we are substituting d is equal to 4 there. So minus a plus 4 equal to 1. So minus a equal to 1 minus 4. Therefore minus a equal to minus 3. Minus minus cancel. So a is coming as 3. Now you got a is equal to 3 and you got d equal to 4. So what they are asking? They are asking nth term from you. So Shiva Shakti, a is coming as 3, absolutely correct. Keshika, d is coming as 4. And after that what you have to do, beta? Only nth term you have to find. Because in the question it has been very clearly said that the situation, say look at the most typical word is cracking this one. I am telling you, the most typical, the most important work is cracking this one. If you will crack this one, if you will write this one absolutely correct, you will be going in a perfect phase. But beta, if one slight mistake came here, means story over. That is 16th term is 16th term means A16, that will be equal to one more means 1 plus twice of its 8th term, 2 times of 8th term. Like that you have to write 2 times of 8th term. Now after that we got a value as 3 and common difference what we got? Common difference we got as 4. So once we got common difference as 4, so now a equal to 3, common difference we got as 4. So now only nth term we have to find. What will be nth term? We know that nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So they are telling that find its nth term. So nth term will be, what is a? Now this sequence, first we got a is equal to 3, we got d equal to 4. So what will be the sequence? Sequence will come 3. Now 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 will become 7. Then next 3 plus 14, 17 will come. Like this sequence will come. Okay. So now nth term sequence. Number of terms. How to get the number of terms first? So once we will get the number of terms, we will get this. But here number of terms, how to get? The most important thing is, Shiva, 4n minus 1. Absolutely correct, Shiva. So here number of terms means we got the sequence also, but last term value we are not knowing. That also only we have to find. So now what we are going to do? We will be writing a equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference 4. So the nth term will be coming as a plus 4n minus 4. So nth term will be coming as 4n minus 1. So here nth term will be coming as 4n minus 1. You will not be getting a value there. Problem is that they have not given the nth term value. If they might have given, then number of terms we could have find, or at least they might have given number of term. Means if they might have given number of term, then we could have got nth term. So neither number of term, this n means number of terms. So either this number of terms they might have given, then it will be easy for us to get out nth term. So since they have not given number of term, this will be your final answer. This will become your final answer. Shall we go for the next question? Now next question is Anu 4n minus 1. Absolutely. So now we will go for the next question. Next question is some typical questions like this we are going to solve in school. Now one question was there, I think doubt was there in that. I am just telling you the technique of solving this question. They are telling that if mth term of an AP is 1 by n, and nth term of an AP is 1 by m, if an nth term of an AP is 1 by m, mth term is 1 by n, nth term is 1 by n, then what you have to show that? You have to show that mnth term equal to 1. This you have to show that. This you have to show that mnth term is coming equal to 1. This you have to show that mnth term is coming equal to 1. Now how to solve this question? How to solve this question? Mnth term is coming equal to 1. This is what you have to do. Mnth term is coming equal to 1. This is what you have to do. So now mth term of an AP is 1 by n. So a mth term is coming as 1 by n. So now first we are going to write, let a be the first term. Let a be the first term. And d be the common difference. Okay, so now mnth term is 1 by n, that is a plus m minus 1 into d equal to 1 by n. Take this as first equation. Now second equation, what is that? Second equation is nth term is 1 by m, that is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 1 by m. Opposite given na? That is what I have taken. Okay, so this is given. This condition is also given. But we wrote it as equation 1 and 2. Now subtracting equation 1 and 2. So what I am going to do? Subtracting equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. The moment you will subtract equation 1 and 2, that is a plus m minus 1 into d equal to 1 by n, a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 1 by m. If we will subtract it, this one will be cancelled. Now it will become m minus 1d minus n minus 1d equal to 1 by n minus 1 by m. So first one minus the second one. First one minus the second one. Take d common, it is coming m minus 1 minus n plus 1. And here beta take LCM cross multiplication, m into 1 will become m, n into 1 will become n, and then these two will multiply mn. So now it is going to be minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, d is coming as m minus 1, and here also m minus n by mn. Cancel it. So d is coming as 1 by mn. D is coming as, yes, d is coming as 1 by n. I have another class also, so I am just going to write this one. So substituting d equal to 1 by mn. In any one of the equation you substitute, then it will become a plus m minus 1, d value will be mn, common difference value will be mn, equal to 1 by n. So now we will shift this one this side. So a will be equal to 1 by n plus m minus 1 by mn. This value you got as a. Now what they are telling you, that you have to prove that amn means mth term is coming as 1. This to prove. This one we have to prove. So shall we start? So we will take LHS amn. amn. So amn term will be written as a plus mn minus 1 into d. Now what is a? A we got this much, 1 by n plus m minus 1 by mn. Now d is what beta? mn minus 1 by mn. Now everything we got. D value is mn minus 1 and d value we got 1 by mn. So mn is coming. Now only one work is there. I will multiply m down, m up. So m by mn. In this n I multiplied mm. So it is coming as m minus 1 by mn plus mn minus 1 by mn. So all base is now mn. Take mn common. So it is coming m plus m minus 1 plus mn minus 1. Okay. So now it is going to be m plus m minus 1. So this section is coming. Okay. I just wrote one mistake here. Here minus will be there. So here it is going to be minus. Rest other everything is okay. So it is going to be minus. So once we are writing minus here, so this will become minus and this part will become plus. So this m and m will get cancelled. So now you have plus 1 and minus 1 will also get cancelled. So only now you have mn by mn. Mn by mn will cancel, it will become 1 and that equal to RHS, proved. Okay, so I am going to keep it till here. I am having another class, beta. I am just having another class. Okay, bye everyone. We'll meet in class. I'll teach you other questions.